There was a time I stood in front of my wardrobe, full of clothes, but nothing felt right. Not for that important meeting, not for that first impression, not for me. And then I realized it wasn't about having more. It was about knowing more about myself. That's why I created this workshop, Dress to Impress. In collaboration with IMPA, for the passionate, driven, brilliant women of Delhi NCR region, not just to teach fashion, but to unlock identity. I introduced my 4A's framework, a toolkit to manage appearance with intention.
Then second A talks about authenticity. Like we said, people will trust you only if you respect yourself by showcasing your dress. Because the very first impression is they see you. They don't listen to you. They don't know anything about you. So the way you are dressed, they'll start judging in a few seconds. It just takes 6 seconds to understand, okay, if this person is wearing, shirt and trouser is good. If you're wearing, if you're an authoritative person at a higher level, you're wearing a third layer, jacket or something, okay, this seems to be a senior guy. And normal shirt and trouser, okay, this is an executive. You can take me to a person whom I want to speak to. So there's a lot of difference. Then another is attractive. Like if you're attractive, people will come automatically. They'll start speaking to you. If you are, not very much confident of opening up so soon, people might come on their own because they know that this is somebody who's ready to listen to what I'm going to say. Lastly, but not least, it's affordable. It should be affordable. You don't have to spend like hell just to wear what you want to, because you can spend 10,000 bucks on a single jacket once. What will happen next time? Where will your budget go? You should know whatever there is in your wardrobe, how to utilize in a way that it still gives me all fours. I don't have to buy another thing again and again and again. I need to maintain the same. And in a new looks, utilize the art and science of clothing so that same thing, but every time you're in a different look, people should not say it's repeating. It should not be seen like a repeat.
Because true image management isn't about vanity, it's about strategy.
Then once you wear your clothes, it brings in a harmony, totality, and will actually give you a very nice, appealing look. My face shape. Depending on your face shape, you can choose your accessories. Even for men, depending on face shape, we can choose if we want to keep a beard or what hairstyle we have to put in. So face shape works a lot on those things. So why should you know about your body shape? To get a better fitted clothes. Your clothes should be fitted. Either it should not be very loose, not it should be too tight. Both of them doesn't work at all. It should be in the right fit. That is the reason we need to understand what is the body shape so that we can camouflage whatever techniques are required. Accordingly, we can make it happen. To flatter your body, of course, because some people have good hands, some people have good face. So depending on what is good in your overall body, you can showcase that thing, and rest can be camouflaged or rest of the things can be done. To understand your body variations, where you have variation, we can hide those variations, and wherever it is good, we can showcase that. To reinforce the positive aspects of your body, and to feel and appear confident, of course, that is the main thing. And to make appropriate choices, like what works for me and what doesn't work for me. Would that skirt look good on me, or a trouser would be a better option? Would that plazos would work for me, or maybe tights would work for me? So it all depends.
We ask deeper questions. What shape am I?
You need to dress in a body hugging clothes and stand in front of a mirror. Okay. Your attention is generally drawn to whenever you stand, automatically the attention goes in a place which is larger size. It can be a triangular shape where this is heavier, which generally happens in Indian women. This is heavier than this one, right? So this width is more than this one, the shoulder. So this is what you have to measure. I'm sure you must be having measurement. Even for men, like I have added men's section as well because I got a nomination of yours, so I will show some men might. shapes. It can be, rhombus, it can be a diamond shape, or oval shape, a square, a tubular shape. So this is one thing which we need to understand what works for me or really need to open up. Even these are giving you handouts. If you could open up, the first sheet comprises of basics, wherein everything is written, like what you should avoid if you are this kind of body shape, and what are the things which you should use. So compare your largest area body to other parts of the body and refer to the body shape descriptions. So if you could open the handout.
What colors empower me? What does my face communicate? Even before I speak.
Like if you have a black and white contrast, this way the focus is always on the top. So whenever you are wearing a contrast, make sure the light shades are on top, the darker cut on lower bottom, so that the focus is always here. Not able to go there. So that's the thing which I want to bring in a way. That's another tip. The contrast should be made in a way. Lighter shade should be up, and the darker shade should be down. Like I'm showing a monochromatic scheme. This is a monochromatic where she's wearing a grey top and a grey skirt. That's why overall she's getting a taller look. This is one scheme she's following. You create that same effect from these as well. This is the way you carry them. अगर आप bright dress के साथ bright carry करोगे matching it doesn't look loose. It's too much bright. But dull के साथ एक special interesting factor डालने के लिए you can definitely do it, so that overall it should not be dull. Of course, depending on your personal colors, which you can refer or handouts for reference. So this becomes a statement.
And then, the breakthrough. It's not what you wear, it's how you wear it. I saw eyes light up, shoulders pull back, heads held high. These weren't just styling choices, they were identity shifts. Image management teaches us that when you change the way you see yourself, the world changes how it sees you too. Our goal was clear. Pay attention to details, make sensible purchases, dress to express, not impress, shop smart, stand tall, even when the world feels heavy. To every woman leader out there, you already have what it takes. Let your presence speak before your words. I'm here to help you look it, live it, lead it. Follow for more transformation journeys. DM Style to join my next workshop. Let's redefine what power dressing truly means. Together.